Hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm going to show you what you need to install Laravel in your PC. First of all, Node.js. What you have to do, you have to go for the .msi. You just have to click here and it will be actually start downloading. So I have already downloaded it and installed it in my PC. So when the download will be complete, you can actually install it in your PC. Very easy like other application or software, whatever you say. And now next thing is Composer. You have to download Composer. So what you have to do, you have to actually go for this option, Composer setup.exe, and you have to install it. So I have already installed it in my C drive. If I go here, you can see, if I go to the C drive, if I go to the common files or file program files, here you can see we have Node.js. Here you can see Composer setup. So Composer setup is inside program files 86, right? And if I go up here, Composer setup, you can see. So everything is installed in my PC. And the last thing is xampp. You have to install xampp because Laravel is, PHP framework, right? So you need a server to run PHP code, right? So xampp will provide us those service like you can actually use xampp localhost server, and then xampp will provide us MySQL service also. Okay, so just go with the latest version. Here you can see you just have to click here download and it will actually start downloading and you have to install it. So I have installed it in my W drive. Here you can see xampp. Now the installation process is done, right? Now what I have to do, we have to actually set up the environment. So what I have to say here, just go here in search option and then type here environment and you will find something like this. So you have to click here, edit the system environment, and a window will pop up like this. You have to select this one, environment variables, and then go for the system variables. Here you can see, and go for the path inside system variable and click here edit, and here click new and then add all those three installed application link. Here you can see I have added all of them, C program files, Node.js. So what I have to do, you have to go to the installed destination. In this case, local disk C. So what I have to do, you have to go for the program files and you will find Node.js, and then you have to copy the path. That's it. And then what you have to do, you have to go here and add a new here and paste it here. You can see I already added it right here. You can see, so I'm not going to add it. So like Node.js, you have to actually add some other, other file also like xampp and Composer setup. You just have to go for the Composer. So our Composer is here, Composer setup, and then you just have to mention it. Then go to the system variable and here you can see Composer setup bin. Local disk C, then we have to go for the program data, this one, and then we have Composer here. So program data, then Composer setup, here you can see, and then bin. Just copy this path and go for the environment variable and add it, okay, and paste it here. And then we have xampp. So let's go for the xampp. So what you have to do, you have to go for the targeted destination, folder, targeted folder that where you have installed xampp. Here you can see, in this case, I haven't actually installed it in C drive. I have installed it in a W drive. So what I have to do, you have to go for the drive where you install it and then go for the xampp and then go for the PHP. Here you can see a folder, PHP. And then you have to actually copy this, okay, copy this and then add it here. You can see. After that, you just have to click on OK, then go for the CMD to check everything is installed or not. First of all, I will say Composer. I will press enter. It will actually show me Composer. Here you can see Composer, right? So I have already installed it. And now let's go for the PHP version. So I'll say PHP-v. And here you can see this is the current version for in my PC. So 8.4.8. And if I say Node.js, sorry, So yes, here you can see I have a Node.js version 22.15.1. So I have already installed all of them, right? Now everything is done. Now we can actually create a Laravel project. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how to create Laravel project. Okay. So we already installed Laravel in our PC, right? So we have download and install all of them that actually needed for the Laravel project. And now we can actually create a Laravel project. So I'm going to show you how to create a Laravel project in our next video, because we have to actually create it, according to our project. Let's say our project name is e-commerce, right? So we'll actually name e-commerce, and then we need to create a database for this. Then we have to actually migrate it, right? So it's a long process. I'm not going to add it in this video. I'm going to show you in the next video. So I'm going to create a new video for it. Okay. So thank you so much for watching.